Okay, let's go.
Open any social media feed, and trading looks effortless. Everywhere you look are screenshots of perfect entries, massive winning streaks, and account balances flashing green. But then you sit down at your desk. You copy the exact method profitable traders use, using the same indicators, the same chart setups, and the same entry points. They walk away with a profit, while your account bleeds. Most traders assume the problem is their strategy. They tweak settings, hunt for a new technical indicator, or search for a secret method they've somehow missed. The reality is that the stock market is a completely unnatural environment. You are navigating it with a brain optimized for evolutionary survival, a system that struggles to process statistical probabilities when actual resources are on the line. This explains why so many traders experience the same recurring nightmare. They find themselves trapped by a biological instinct to hold losing trades, lacking the acquired skill required to let a winner run. The market is testing your biology. When a position moves against you and the screen turns red, your body registers it as a physical threat. Admitting you were wrong triggers acute psychological pain. To avoid this pain, your brain initiates an emotional negotiation. You abandon your risk management plan and begin searching for ways to delay the inevitable moment of defeat. This negotiation manifests as specific behaviors. You zoom in on the chart to find hidden support levels, or scroll through forums looking for anyone predicting a reversal. You might even message a friend, seeking permission to stay in a trade that has already failed. This chart shows the path of a catastrophic loss. Each pop-up represents an emotional justification pushing the exit point lower, until a manageable loss becomes ruinous. Beyond financial damage, this single position expands into a heavy psychological burden that occupies your thoughts everywhere. Keeping a losing trade open is an act of self-preservation masquerading as hope. As long as you don't press the button, you can pretend the loss isn't real and avoid the feeling of failure. Eventually, the momentum shifts. You enter a position, the market moves in your direction, and the numbers on the screen finally turn green. Instead of confidence, a new anxiety takes hold. Your heart rate spikes because your brain perceives this profit as something fragile, a temporary reward that could be snatched away at any moment. You hyperfixate on the price action, viewing every minor pullback as a betrayal. You find yourself closing the trade early, driven by a desperate need to lock in the emotional relief of being right. It is a striking contradiction of human nature. A trader can endure hours of financial pain during a loss, but cannot tolerate even a few minutes of uncertainty while in profit. Your brain frames this early exit as a smart, responsible move. This internal logic is what systematically destroys your edge, ensuring you never capture the large gains your strategy was designed to catch. These biological signals are perfect for survival in the wild, where pain must be avoided and rewards must be secured immediately. In the world of trading, these exact same signals guarantee your eventual failure. Trading skill is the physical rewiring of the nervous system to act against these deep-seated instincts. It requires much more than intellectual knowledge or a better understanding of charts. You must use a form of biological exposure therapy. You have to repeatedly subject your brain to controlled discomfort until it learns a new baseline for safety. This protocol rewires your brain without triggering panic. Step 1. Establish absolute stop losses to prevent emotional negotiations. Step 2. Trade with small position sizes, keeping financial pain below your threat threshold. Step 3. Relentless repetition. Cut losses and let winners run dozens of times. Through this repetition, your physiology shifts. The tight chest and shaking hands fade away as your brain unlearns the association between a small loss and an existential threat. Consistent profitability is the result of choosing trained behavior over raw instinct, day after day. You are training yourself to do what feels dangerous until it becomes completely normal.